What you hear there, that's a serious case of what's known as kennel cough, the respiratory disease prompting one local kennel in Garner to issue a warning. WRAL's Julian talked to the experts to find out what you should do if you notice your dog acting a bit differently.
With this respiratory illness, vets say if your dog is persistently coughing or restless, you should try to make sure they're getting rest. But if they're having trouble breathing, rush them to your local vet. This is what the respiratory illness looks and sounds like. It's a strong cough, almost like a honking, that doesn't go away for several days. Just this week, Carolina Ranch Animal Hospital posted these notices, citing an increase in respiratory cases and what they're doing to help stop the spread. Also telling those with dogs that are sneezing, coughing, and honking to wait outside and call a number. They're also now offering complimentary exams if pets recently stayed there and are exhibiting symptoms. Also, all dog training and group classes have been canceled.
Most often when you see those signs, it's related to kennel cough.
We took our questions to Dr. Steve Marks, Dean of Veterinary Medical Services at NC State University. He says it's common, and he gave us signs on when you should be concerned.
Really, a dog struggling to breathe, so the respiratory rate is very high. If there's any tinge of purple, bluish, non-pink, so anything that's not pink in the oral cavity, so the gums, the tongue, then that's probably an emergency and they should be seen by a veterinarian right away.
We called around to another vet and 2 other kennels to see if this is happening at other places. And all 3 say it's common and that no kennel is immune, despite boarding facilities requiring up-to-date vaccines.
They're going to ask you for your history of a disease, and they're going to ask you for your vaccine history. So you want to make sure they're up to date on Bordetella to prevent kennel cough, but it's not 100%. So it is possible you'll bring your dog in pretty healthy, and either they will get some type of form of respiratory disease that's in.
Reporting in Raleigh, Julian, WRAL News.